Pair of linear equation into variables. Method of solving a pair of linear equation into variable. In our syllabus, there are two methods, graphical method and algebraic method. Algebraic method is also subdivided substitutional method, elimination method and cross multiple method. Out of these sub methods, cross multiple method is deleted from our course. We have to learn only substitution method and elimination method. In a graphical method, there are three cases or two type of graphs or solution we can find. Now see in the these graphs and observe the situation. In first graph, two lines are crossing. In second, they are parallel. In third situation, both are coincident. When lines overlap each other, then there are infinite many solutions. And when two lines cross each other, there is only one solution. So, when pair of linear equation has cross each other, lines cross each other, or graphical method, two lines coincident, then there are consistent. The type of condition is called consistent. In cross graph, only unique solution is there, and in consistent lines there are infinite many solutions. And other condition when two lines are parallel is called inconsistent and there is no solution. So this condition is called inconsistent. So there are in algebraic method there are two conditions. A condition in which it has answer, it has solution. Then there are also two conditions, it has one solution or it has infinite many solutions. Both conditions are called consistent, and if it has no solution then it is called inconsistent. Or these are conditions algebraically. A1 A2 is equal to not B1 B2, then first graph two lines intersect each other and condition will be consistent. In second, A1 A2 is equal to B1 B2 is equal to C1 C2. In this parallel lines we will get, and A1 A2 is equal to B1 B2 is equal to C1 C2. Then these lines are coincident lines and we will get single line, other line overlap it. So we can see only one line, but there are really two lines consistent each other, and this is also condition consistent. In third situation, two lines are parallel, or condition is A1 A2 is equal to B1 B2 is equal not C1 C2. So we have to learn these conditions, type of solution and type of condition. Thank you.